Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So now we're talking about quadrilaterals and other polygons. So when we talk about quadrilaterals, total angle that equals to 360 degree. So once we have angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equals to 360 degree, then angle A substituted, angle B 89, angle C, right angle 90, plus angle D 190 degree, then this is 360. Now this is X plus 178, 179 I mean, then this is going to be 298 equals to 360 degree. So this is 360 minus 298, so this is going to be 62 degree. Now if you look at to B, that's exactly a part of polygon. So when we talk about polygon, now we have to see, or we can solve it by applying this formula, which is as n minus 2 times 180. There are 5 sides here, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n equals to 5. So then this is 5 minus 2 times 180. Then this is 540 degree. Then we can solve it by labeling them A, B, C, D, E. Then angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E. This is equals to 540 degree. Now A, that's exactly 90 degree. B, X, C, X plus 10 degree. And then D, X and also X and 540 degree. Now we have 4x degree plus 90 plus 10, that's 100 degree, and then this is going to be 540 degree. Now 4x 540 minus 100, then this is 440 out of 4, then x equals to 110 degree. Okay.